Right guys, welcome back to another video, and yes, we've got another product review because another company has reached out to me and they've sent out a product for us to review and install. And this company is, now I don't know how to pronounce it, so I do apologise, but it's called AUXITO. Now, they sell a wide range of bulbs and lighting for your car, including even little jumper packs. They sell lots of good quality parts. I'll put like a wee bit on screen right now to give you a rough idea of everything they sell, and a lot of it looks really good, to be honest. And if you do like what this is, they've provided for me a 15% discount to all you who are watching my channel. So I'll put that in the description below and a link. So if you want to buy any of these things yourself, or indeed anything they sell, in the description below, 15% off. Right guys, so the first part of this clip, I'm going to show you guys what the original bulbs look like before we install the new LED ones. So let's turn the lights on and I'll show you how pretty but terrible they are. Yeah, they're not great, are they? Let's be honest. Yeah, so there's halogen bulbs. I think they're xenon, I'm not too sure, but they're not great, are they? I mean, they're okay, but let's install the new LED ones. Looking forward to actually installing these, to be honest. They actually look really, really good. How do we look at them? Outside the box, and the bulbs look really good quality. They've got like a built-in fan, they're LED, they are 6,500K, so they should be really bright. I'm really excited to get these in. So a massive thank you to this company for sending these out. And with that being said, right, actually before we install these, let's just have a wee look at them. So it comes with obviously an instruction manual. Don't know how hard it is to plug in a bulb, but never mind, I'm pretty sure there's more in there than just instructions. But here are the bulbs themselves. Now they look really good. Now I don't know what it is, right? I'll just remove them and show you what I mean, but they feel just really good quality, and inside is a fan to keep them cool, so that could make them last longer as well. But yeah, they just feel really good quality. I mean, obviously, well, they are expensive, so that explains it, but yeah, it just feels so much better quality to the normal rubbish you got on eBay. So anyway, let's get them installed. Now let's create an imaginary scenario. You've got a SKODA FABIA that's not been interfered with, and there's a panel here which you need to remove. This doesn't have that, so that makes life a lot easier. But on this side, I should have enough room to get the thing off. It's only like a 2-pin connector, so let's crack on, let's get these installed. Right, here's the old halogen ones that I can probably go in the bin in favour of these. Thank God I've got really small wrists, like child-sized wrists. Alright. That hurt. But job done. Right, let's wait till night time and see how good these are. Right, it's now dark, or as dark as it's gonna get. Let's turn these lights on and see how good they are. Side lights. Oh yeah! Oh, shut up. But they are really bright. Definitely so much brighter than the original halogen bulbs. So let's go and have a closer look at the front. Yeah, that is a massive improvement. Dear God, they're bright. Jesus Christ! Like, I can't actually look directly into them because they're so bright, but my God. They are bloody good. Wow, they are bright. I am very impressed with these guys. Very impressed indeed. Now that is going to light up the back roads. So yeah guys, I am very impressed. I would definitely recommend this product. As I said, 15% off. My discount code is in the description below. Big shout out to the company for sending this out to me. You know who you are. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Go grab yourself one of these bulbs. You'll not regret it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.